In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide the ribbon in Microsoft Excel in the simplest way possible. Now, we all know that sometimes the ribbon can feel like it's taking up a bit more space than we'd like, especially when we want to focus just on the data in our spreadsheet. So learning how to easily toggle the ribbon can be quite handy. Here's the good news. You won't need to navigate through multiple menus or dig around in settings to achieve this. There's a straightforward method to manage your ribbon view, and it involves just a couple of quick actions. Let's dive into it. First, ensure you have your Microsoft Excel open with a spreadsheet on your screen. Now, let's say you're looking at the top part of your Excel window. That's where the ribbon lives, the home base for all your tools, from formatting to data management. If you're finding that the ribbon is in the way or you have all the space you need, you can easily hide it. Here's how. Simply press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While you're holding the Shift key, you need to double-click on any of the tabs on the ribbon. For example, you might choose the Home tab. Just double-click, and like magic, the ribbon disappears, giving you a cleaner workspace. Isn't that neat? With just one simple shortcut, your spreadsheet is now clutter-free. You haven't removed the ribbon, it's just tucked away until you need it again. When you're ready to bring back the ribbon, no worries, it's just as easy to retrieve. Again, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then double-click on any of the tabs where the ribbon used to be. Whether you choose the Insert, Page Layout, or perhaps the Formulas tab, the ribbon will reappear. It's as simple as that, and you're back in business with all your necessary tools right at your fingertips. This shortcut is particularly useful for those times when switching between a minimal and full interface on the fly can help you stay focused on tasks that require more screen real estate, or when you need to quickly access specific commands only available on the ribbon. To sum it up, the beauty of this tip is in its simplicity and quick execution. Just remember, Shift, double-click a tab, and you can seamlessly toggle your ribbon view. Whether you're looking to declutter your workspace temporarily or bring back the toolset you need, this trick is a simple yet powerful way to customize your Excel experience without any fuss. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tip helps you work more efficiently in Excel. Happy spreadsheeting!